Hi, this is Seth from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2016 Mazda CX-5, stock number 6019. This ran from 02-2012 to the 12th 2016. It's a PE 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a PE 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front mirror. Left front door no dents. Left rear door no dents. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag tyre. Left rear tail light. Rear tailgate no dents. Right rear tail light. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag tyre. Right rear door no dents. Right front 17-inch factory alloy mag tyre. Right front mirror. Right front door car. Right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,